How to find public post comments settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find the public posts comments settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find followers and public content. Click on it, and here you will find public posts comments, and here you can manage it. You can make it for public or friends of friends. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.